I'm Jerry Harrell. Welcome to Ringside Collectibles Figure Insider. That's right, the Bridge Direct presents C3 Construction, WWE Stacktown, The Undertaker, entrance. One of the most exciting and chilling entrances is The Undertaker in the WWE Stacktown universe. And there is no difference between him and the real-life counterpart as he zooms in on his Harley-style hog. That's right through the gates. Now, as you can see, he has a fully working motorcycle, which is awesome. He comes through the gates, which are probably supposed to be the gates of HE double hockey sticks. You also can see the gargoyle here, which is on top of where the urn, where all of Undertaker's power comes from, where the late great Paul Bearer kept all of his power and secrets. It's time for The Undertaker to make an entrance. Collect the entire WWE Stacktown universe today. And don't forget to check out Ringside Collectibles at WrestlingFigures.com for the largest selection of wrestling figures on the internet.